This is a Node MCU which will be acting as the brain of the entire project, and you can use a VMOS D1 Mini as well instead of this Node MCU board. Okay. We need this MQ5 gas sensor. This has got 4 pins, so one for VCC, one for ground, and one for digital output and one for analog output. So we'll be using the analog output pin over here. We need one small 5-volt buzzer. This is for audio indication. We need 2 LEDs. We need 2 330 ohms resistor. Here we have defined the headers of ESP8266, and then we have the authentication code you have to put in. After that you have to put the Wi-Fi credential and the password over here. After putting those things, you have to, here as you can see, we have initialized buzzer, sensors, and green LED and the red LED over here. The descriptions are given for what these are used, and below that we have this sensor limit which has been set over here as a 600. This is the threshold limit that we have set. After setting that in the setup, we have the pin mode set as output for buzzer and sensor for input for sensor, green LED and red LED for output, and then we have set the LED status as low and for LED green and red, and then we have the serial monitor begin over there, and then the blink authentication password will start. Then we have the loop over here where the sensor value is being checked by analog reading the sensor value, and it is stored in sensor underscore value, and it is shown in serial monitor by gas level, and here the sensor value is being output. And then we have the V1, which is the virtual pin, and here we are sending to blink the sensor value as well, that we can see in the gauge. Then we have a if function over there below that. When sensor value is greater than the sensor limit, then these set of instruction or these things should happen over here. So these things will be happening, else it will happen, these things will be going on, and then finally a delay and the blink will be running. So this is a very simple code to understand. And Let's see how we have connected this entire project. These very few components are needed to build this project. First of all, we have the Node MCU over here. The Node MCU is getting powered via a mobile charger power supply with 5 volts and 1 amps is enough. Here we have connected this MQ5 sensor, and the analog pin of this MQ5 sensor is connected with the analog pin of the Node MCU over here. And then we have a buzzer, 5-volt buzzer, and we have 2 LEDs, and with 2 resistance you can put. I have not put 2 resistances, but you can put 2 resistances. Okay, so this is how LEDs are for visual indication, buzzer is for audio indication. This is the gas sensor which will be detecting the type of gas you want, and the threshold value we can code it inside the programming according to your need. You can set up a project on a Blink app. This is a IoT based LPG gas sensor alarm, so it can detect smoke, and it can detect LPG gas, and it can detect CNG as well, coal gas. So today's demonstration I'll be showing you using the help of incense stick. Okay, that will create a smoke over here, and how it will detect. So as you can see here, this is the gas level which it is showing. It's a random value which is coming up, and we have set it threshold of 600. So till 600 it will be all showing as green over here. The green LED is glowing up, and the red is whenever the threshold value of the gas level increases beyond 600, and then it will be, the buzzer will start blinking over here. The red LED will turn on and green LED will turn off. This is the Node MCU, which is the main part of this entire project. Here the code is uploaded, and based on the code it will be working. So this is the MQ5 sensor which we are using over here. So I'll just demonstrate it quickly. So here I have the incense stick over here. So once I take it near to this MQ5 sensor, it will start beeping up once the threshold value increases to 600. So let's see. And it will also send you alert with an alarm, that is alert gas leakage has detected over here, as you can see. So this is a very simple circuit, but I think it is very effective. You can put it in your storerooms, you can put it near the kitchen, wherever you feel like that there can be a gas leakage, and it will be a life-saving project.